Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Today I am showing you how to send money from Perfect Money to another Perfect Money account. Okay, it's a common question asking many new investors. First, this is my Perfect Money referral link. You will find into the description of this video. First, if you don't have Perfect Money account, click here and register your account. Okay, it's a leading financial service allowing users to make instant payments and to make money transfers securely. It's online transaction and good for payments, sending and receiving. Now I am doing it into practical demonstration. Open Google Chrome. Copy this link and paste here. After pasting, if you don't have Perfect Money account, then click here to sign up. But I have already account. I am clicking login. Okay, this is my member ID, Perfect Money, and password. Okay, type verification code. Click here. Okay, confirmation send to your email. Check your registered email using for Perfect Money. I have received a message. Copy this code. After copying, paste it here. Click here to continue. As you will see here, my Perfect Money USD balance 4.46.31 USD dollars. Okay, now I am sending to another Perfect Money account using my Perfect Money account to another Perfect Money account. Okay, I am copying this Perfect Money account. Okay, this is another user of perfect money account, U means USD balance. As you will see here, my balance is also in USD. Just copy it, Control C, and to send money to another perfect money account, click here to quick payments. After clicking here to quick payment, select your account. My USD balance is this, and to paste another perfect money account here and type here enter amount. Okay, now I am sending $7. Okay, click here to preview payment. After clicking to preview payment, as you will see here, 1.99% is perfect money fees. Okay, 0.13 something USD. Click here to send payment. As you will see here, verify the payment details, your account number, everything is correct. This account number, click here to send. As you will see here, transaction of $7 to this account was successfully completed, and this is the transaction page ID. Okay, this transaction ID is proof of your payment. You can show this transaction ID to recipient where you sent. It's proof. You can also take a screenshot of this and send the recipient. I hope it's very easy process. You will understand completely how to send money from perfect money to another perfect money account. Okay, for this process just click here to quick payments. Okay, thanks. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. Direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and see both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level, and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals if you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. Okay, you can join with my team using following links for further company details and queries. If you have any confusions about online investments or any discussions, further queries, and you can also join our team using these WhatsApp groups. These WhatsApp groups you will find into the description of this video. Okay, if you have any confusions or queries about investments, then contact me following contact number and addresses. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp groups, Telegram ID, Skype, and so on. You can follow us and for further queries using following links. Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Join and for further queries. Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and VK profile. This is my username for all social networks. Mprogs Tech, Muhammad Programmers Technology, Mprogs Tech. Join and for further queries or discussions. You can learn, then you can earn. First, you must first learn. Okay, learning is important, mandatory for earning. Some people are trying to earn without learning, then they will lose their money and they will not succeed because they start without learning. Okay, learning is mandatory and learning is important. You can learn, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced investment tutorials. You must keep in your mind, you can learn first, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced online investments tutorials. This is my YouTube channel name, Mohammed Programmers Technology. This is my YouTube channel link. This link you will find into the description of this video. All links you will find. My blogger website. We will be waiting for feedbacks, comments and suggestions to improve our services. Best of luck.